Today you will learn how to start with ERPNext self-implementation. So let's go. How to start ERPNext self-implementation. ERPNext website introduction, then basic requirement for starting self-implementation, technical skill required for self-implementation, module and its milestone, process of implementation, target terms of self-implementation. ERPNext website. Search on Google for ERPNext or open ERPNext.com in your browser. Check out the website page and pricing. Click on Get Started to start your free trial. Basic requirement for self-implementation. In order to start self-implementation, here are few basic requirements. First of all, company should have a minimum computer or laptops. Company also have stable internet connection. Then company should have all the required information in a soft copy in Excel spreadsheet to import the data and while implementation. End user who will be doing self-implementation should have basic and fundamental domain knowledge of the company, the needs of ERP requirement, the desires, and they must know and aware their daily day-to-day business problems they are facing from all the respective departments. The user should have a clear understanding about company business process and processes, workflow, and key requirements for ERP software implementation. User should have basic English communication skills for understanding the software and presentations. The user should effectively manage time and prioritize a task to ensure the timely completion. It is not mandatory to have the users as implementer from a management or a head of the department. It is also not mandatory to give full day for the implementation. User can do it as per his convenience. The user must have decision-making authority to implement the ERP as per schedule. Then what are the technical skills required for self-implementation? First of all, basic computer knowledge like MS CIT or MS Office course user must have to be completed. Basic knowledge about technical terms like what is a domain name, what is a cloud hosting, and what is a database. Basic knowledge of using Excel sheet for the data import and report management. Experience of internet browsing and surfing to understand and handle ERP software. Experience of using online communication tool like Google, Zoom, Zoom Meet, etc. Milestones. Now, while the implementation modules and weeks may vary depending on the packages you have purchased. In week first, we are going to do a preparation for the ERPNext self-implementation. In week one, we understood what is a ERPNext self-implementation, how to start ERPNext self-implementation. Then we will do the ERPNext setup. Then we try to understand the data requirement to start with the ERPNext self-implementation, data collection for ERPNext setup, and we will provide some sample formats. In week second, we are going to learn about the accounting module. In this, we came to know the basic accounting module, GST module, and advanced accounting module. Week 3, we are going to learn about buying, selling, and inventory modules. Buying module, selling module, and inventory or a stock module. Week 4, we will learn customer relationship management, manufacturing, and quality. In week 5, we are going to learn the projects, HRMS support, and loan module as well. Week 6, we are going to learn about home module, website module, and user management. Under the user management module, we will learn how to give the module access depending upon the user profile roles. Week 7, reporting, migration, and customization. Reporting with ERPNext module, we will learn how we can self-customize our reports, how we can change the report layouts, and how we can add, remove columns in reporting module. A data migration from Tally ERP or any other ERP software like SAP and Oracle to ERPNext. Then we will learn to generate custom print formats, report, invoices, and salary slips. In week 8, we are going to integrate and we are going to get the overview of setting and completion. Third-party implementation with ERPNext setting, we will go through the build section, tool section, etc. And we will also understanding the challenges and solutions for the ERPNext customization, integration, and migration. Here we will introduce a file and packages as well. And then thank you and feedback sharing video after the self-implementation. Now we see what is a process of implementation. Once the user purchases the package, the user will start watching the videos and reading the given presentation as per weekly schedule. Then every week completion, the user can book one-to-one call session with the ERPNext implementation coach from the Calendly link, which he will receive only if he had paid for the consultation package. Then on a weekly basis, the given modules will be implemented along with the guidance from coach. User can ask for any challenges, doubt, issues into the implementation, which can be resolved at the time of one-to-one sessions. Then once the implementation is completed as per the weekly schedule, the user will be activated with a package given hours of support which they can consume in the validity period. Please note, support will be provided only to the people who have purchased the consultation package. In case if the users are facing any issues with the portal, they can raise a ticket at the given support email IDs. Now, targets and terms of self-implementation. The self-implementation is targeted to complete within 8 weeks, but the user need to use a portal access to watch the videos and presentation up to validity period. The user can book the consulting sessions or support anytime within the validity period. Once the validity period is over, the user cannot use the portal access or book session unless he doesn't review the package. Each consulting session or support hours will be up to 45 minutes, which will be recorded and notified on the email as per consumption. If user fails to self-implement the ERP in any circumstances due to any reason, then company is not liable for any refunds. We are available for support and consultation as per the Calendly schedule bookings in between Monday to Friday, morning 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.